Alright, so a few days ago, I wanted to find out if I can do a simple product promo video. Here, at home. Like a low budget commercial, you can say that. So I've seen a lot of people do like chips, you know, something that you can actually get out of the bag and then the chips explode. But in this case, I wanted to do something a little bit healthier. And for that, I chose my breakfast. Quaker oats, so something that I use every day, and what better product to choose, I guess. So in this video, I wanted to do a behind the scenes on how I did it, but before that, let's show you the commercial. Alright, that's it. That's the 36 to 40-second video for you guys. Let me know in the comments how I did. Rate me from 1 to 5 stars, just like an Amazon review. So to start off, I actually had a storyboard ready for this, surprisingly, and this is what it looks like. It was about 7 segments, but I ended up with 9 at the finish. To see if I can really do it, I started with the most difficult shot first, which is the throwing of the oatmeal from top down shot. It feels a little bit silly, but here's how it looked when I was doing it. Ouch. Not even close. So yeah, with that first shot out of the way, felt a little bit excited that I can actually do it. So I just went down the list and made it happen. Here's a few more behind the scenes for those shots. Okay, today I'm trying to do the spinning shot. I have to keep it where it is at all times every time I spin, so I cannot sway from left to right or front and back. So I found this can, and I just put a little bit of tape underneath so it stick a little bit on the table. So this one stays on the table in its place, and then the top part spins somewhat freely. So hopefully this one works. Like, I'll spin it like this. Okay, so at the beginning of this video, I was telling you that I had a storyboard drawn up just so I had a direction to follow, or I had flow while doing the shoot. And I quickly realized that I didn't have an introduction and an ending for the video. And you know, all the 7 segments that I had drawn up was all for the middle part. So for the intro, I thought about like having a reveal, like a falling shot but in reverse. So what I ended up doing is putting the oatmeal on top of the can and basically sliding it out towards the edge of the table and letting it fall into my hands, and then basically just had it in reverse, had it masked up, and you know, to do the reveal. As for the ending shot, that just came up like on the spot because I saw the message of the product, which is quick 1 minute oats. So I went for that. It's highlighted. You can see it on the ending clip, and I just got lucky, I guess. Okay, so that's it for this behind the scenes video. Hope you guys enjoyed it and learned something in the process. That actually took me a little while, to be honest with you, but you know, I enjoyed the whole thing and I'm happy with the final result. But what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Really appreciate your feedback. So that's it for me today. I'll see you guys in the next video. I'll play it to you guys one more time, just so. Bye.